The Writing Center offers paper review appointments to undergraduate, master's, and doctoral students. These paper review appointments are a chance for you to receive feedback on your writing. However, this feedback is different than your course faculty's feedback. Writing instructors in the Writing Center, with years of experience teaching writing, give feedback that focuses on scholarly voice, APA, grammar, and other elements of academic writing. Writing instructors don't grade or assess your writing, nor do they edit your writing. Instead, they help you develop your writing skills long-term, giving you suggestions and feedback about both areas for improvement and strengths in your writing. Wondering if a paper review appointment is appropriate for you? Paper review appointments are for everyone, no matter your writing skill level. As writers, we all get very close to our writing, and having an outside reader's perspective is useful for all Walden writers, no matter your experience. There are a few paper review policies we ask you to follow. I won't go into their details, but be sure to read the policies on our website. Additionally, note that doctoral students can submit any of their coursework or pre-proposal documents, a premise or prospectus, for paper review appointments. However, once you start writing your doctoral capstone, a dissertation, or project study, you'll work with the editors on the Form and Style website for assistance. Now that you know what a paper review appointment is, and you're eager to make an appointment, let's look at the Writing Center's paper review appointment schedule, which we call MyPass. You can access the MyPass schedule through our website or through your My Walden portal. Either approach works just fine. MyPass is not associated with your Walden email or portal login, so you'll need to create an account. Before you make your first paper review appointment, here are a few insider tips. These are tips we've heard from other students or that we give to students to make paper review appointments as useful as possible. First, make appointments ahead of time. You can reserve an appointment up to 2 weeks in advance, which is helpful in A, making sure our schedule won't become full so that you can't make an appointment, and B, giving you an extra deadline that can help motivate you to work on your writing. Second, submit past papers. While it's always helpful to get feedback on something you are currently writing so you can implement the feedback right away, our writing instructors are happy to give feedback that you can use in future papers. This is very helpful when your schedule is full and you're not able to submit a new paper before its deadline. Feedback on past papers can then inform the way you write future papers. Third, schedule appointments with the same or different writing instructors, depending on your preference. Would you like to create a relationship with one person who gets to know your writing style and strengths and opportunities for improvement? Try making appointments with the same writing instructor. Would you like various perspectives on your writing to help you see it from multiple angles? Try making appointments with various writing instructors. Fourth, email your writing instructors any questions you have about their feedback. Your writing instructor will give you feedback by adding track changes and comments to your Word document. This means you won't have any live communication with them. It's essential for you to ask questions if you aren't sure what your writing instructor meant, or if you'd like more information about how to implement a particular suggestion. That's what your writing instructor is there for, so be sure to reach out. And that's it. Be sure to read our paper review appointment policies and see our how-to videos for instructions if you aren't sure how to make an appointment. Don't hesitate to let us know if you have any questions, and we look forward to working with you in a paper review appointment soon.